Did you know the early years are the best opportunity for a kid's brain to develop? In fact, from birth to age 5, a kid's brain evolves the more than any other time in the life. And during this period, while many believe कि बच्चों के brain development को सिर्फ social, environmental और sensory experience ही influence कर सकते हैं, let me tell you, there is one other thing that plays a crucial role, and that is nutrition. Hello everyone, this is Anshul Chauhan, and being a nutritionist, I know how big of a role diet plays in your kids' brain development. And guess what? आज का टॉपिक भी यही है. जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, we are living in a competitive world where all the distractions are floating around. It becomes a challenge for the parents to ensure that their kids don't fall behind. All I want to say is that brain development is one of those topics that require undivided attention. So I recommend each and every parent out there to make sure that their kid is getting nutritious diet. Today, we'll be diving deep into a handful of superfoods जो कि बच्चों की हेल्थ ही नहीं बल्कि उनके ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. First on the list we have eggs. You'd be surprised to know that eggs are nutrient-dense foods that contain several components which are beneficial for brain development. Eggs are a great source of amino acids which are important for the production of neurotransmitters that regulate brain function. Other than that, eggs में होता है choline which supports memory and cognitive function. और अगर हम बात करें nutritional content की, तो I would say 2 whole eggs have 294 grams of choline, जो कवर करता है 100% needs of children aged between 1 to 8 years and 75% needs of kids and teens aged between 9 to 13 years. Next up on the list are nuts and seeds. For those who don't know, nuts like almonds and walnuts, flax seeds and chia seeds have omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, antioxidants, vitamin E, and other essential nutrients like zinc and iron. ये सारे components मिलकर help करते हैं inflammation को कम करने में, cells को protect करते हैं damage से और support करते हैं cognitive function में. Nuts like almonds and walnuts in particular are known to have high levels of omega-3 and DHA, which are crucial for better brain health. The next superfood we have got on the list is fish. Fatty fish जैसे कि salmon एक अच्छा सोर्स होता है EPA और DHA का. DHA अगर आपको नहीं पता then let me tell you, एक बहुत ही important nutrient है brain health के लिए. In fact ये brain cells के structure को maintain रखने में और build करने में भी help करता है. It also has omega-3 fatty acid which is known to be associated with improved cognitive function, attention, memory and बिहेवियर इन चिल्ड्रन. अगर मुझे कंक्लूड करना हो तो आई वुड से जितना ज़्यादा ओमेगा-3 ब्रेन तक जाएगा वो उतना ज़्यादा ही अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगा. और अब बारी है एक ऐसे सुपर फूड की जो खाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इट्स वेजिटेबल. ग्रीन वेजिटेबल जैसे कि स्पिनच और ब्रोकली अच्छा सोर्स है विटामिन ए, विटामिन सी और विटामिन के का. यही नहीं, इसमें फोलेट और फाइबर बहुत अच्छी क्वांटिटी में होता है. Folate in particular is good for brain development and function. इन सब्जियों में एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं जैसे कि विटामिन सी और बीटा कैरोटीन जो कि प्रोटेक्ट करता है ब्रेन को स्ट्रेस और इन्फ्लेमेशन से. एंड दैट्स नॉट इट. द फाइबर कंटेन इन दीज वेजीज helps to regulate the blood sugar level and promotes a healthy gut. Since we are talking about superfoods, we can't miss on dairy products. Dairy products like milk and yogurt are great source of proteins and vitamins which are important for the growth of brain cells. Protein which provides necessary amino acids for the synthesis of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters जैसे डोपामीन और सेरोटोनिन बहुत ही important रोल प्ले करते हैं ब्रेन फंक्शन में और मूड को रेगुलेट करने में. Greek yogurt contains probiotics which are good bacteria and that regulates the healthy gut. And last but certainly not least, we have got a superfood that not only supports smooth functioning of the brain but keeps the blood sugar level in check. Any guesses कि मैं किस बारे में बात कर रही हूँ? I am talking about berries. Berries like strawberries, raspberries and blueberries are very popular and the credit goes to their nutritional content. It may come off as a surprise, but the more vibrant the color, the more nutrients the berries contain. They are rich in antioxidants जो कि ब्रेन को स्ट्रेस और इन्फ्लेमेशन से प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. In fact, according to some researches, it was shown that antioxidants in the berries can improve in memory, learning and overall brain health. ये 6 ब्रेन बूस्टिंग सुपर फूड्स आपके बच्चे की ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट और ओवरऑल हेल्थ में जरूर हेल्प करेंगे। इन फैक्ट एवरीथिंग दैट आई हैव मेंशन्ड इन दिस लिस्ट कैन बी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन मेरी रेसिपीज, जो कि आप गूगल कर सकते हैं या फिर हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर भी देख सकते हैं। सो व्हाट आर सम अदर सुपर फूड्स दैट यू हैव गॉट ऑन योर radar फॉर योर किड? लीव अ कमेंट डाउन बिलो. Others would love to see the suggestion, and we would be more than happy to see people building a community. So if you liked this video or found it informative, then make sure to like this video. This small gesture of appreciation will help us bring you more videos like this. So this is it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, eat healthy and be safe.